Okay. So Java is an object-oriented programming language. So without class, we cannot start the program. Okay. So first, we have to create a class with any name. Okay. Then we can start our program. तो सबसे पहले अगर हम जावा में प्रोग्रामिंग करना चाहते हैं तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द वेरी बेसिक एंड फर्स्ट स्टेप इज दैट वी हैव टू क्रिएट अ क्लास. क्लास हमेशा किसी ना किसी नाम के साथ डिफाइन होता है. तो व्हेनेवर वी आर गोइंग टू डिफाइन अ क्लास then we have to specify the name of the class. The second, inside the class we have to create a main function. Main function are the main execution point of the program. क्लास के अंदर सेकेंड इंपॉर्टेंट चीज जो है वो क्लास के अंदर हमको एक मेन फंक्शन डिफाइन करना पड़ता है या क्रिएट करना, क्योंकि हमारा जो प्रोग्राम का एग्जीक्यूशन है वो मेन फंक्शन से ही स्टार्ट होता है. इफ देयर इज नो मेन, if there is no main function in our class, our program will not execute. Understand? So two things we have seen. The number one, as Java is the object-oriented programming language, so we have to create a class, then we can start our programming. Inside the class, we have to create a main function. Main functions are the main execution point of the program. If there is no main function in our class, our program will not execute. So these 2 points are clear to all of you? Please respond. सबसे पहले हमें एक क्लास क्रिएट करना है और उस क्लास के अंदर हमको एक मेन फंक्शन डिफाइन करना है. ये दो चीजें होना इंपॉर्टेंट है, तभी हमारा प्रोग्राम कंप्लीट माना जाएगा. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके. सो 1 सेकेंड. सो अगर हम प्रोग्रामिंग स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं तो प्रोग्रामिंग स्टार्ट करने के लिए ये चीजें हमें जानना बहुत जरूरी है. दीज 2 थिंग्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू स्टार्ट द प्रोग्रामिंग. ओके. नाउ प्रोग्रामिंग फॉर प्रोग्रामिंग के लिए ओके, द नंबर 1, system.out.print. okay, system.out.print is basically used to print any statement. System.out.print is basically used to print any statement on the screen. अगर हमें कोई चीज स्क्रीन पर प्रिंट करनी है तो उसके लिए हमें यूज करना होता है system.out.print. Understand? This thing is clear to all of you? Okay. System.out.print, यहां पर सिस्टम का मतलब है बेसिकली हमारा कंसोल या हमारी आउटपुट स्क्रीन. system.out.print का इजी मैनर में मतलब ये हुआ जस्ट प्रिंट दिस स्टेटमेंट ऑन द आउटपुट स्क्रीन और ऑन द कंसोल. कंसोल मीन्स द डॉस स्क्रीन. ओके. तो अगर हमें कोई चीज आउटपुट स्क्रीन पर डिस्प्ले करनी है तो उसके लिए हम यूज करते हैं system.out.print. सपोज ओके, हम इसको देखेंगे अभी प्रोग्रामिंग में, हम देखेंगे अभी जस्ट अ मोमेंट. तो हमने अभी यहां पर 3 चीजें क्लियर करी. First of all, we have to create a class, then we have to create a main function, then system.out.print is used to print anything on the screen. Okay. Now, how to start the program? Program start करने के लिए we can start the programming in the BlueJ. क्योंकि BlueJ हमारे सिलेबस में भी है तो हम BlueJ में प्रोग्रामिंग को स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो BlueJ में प्रोग्रामिंग को स्टार्ट करने के लिए here this is a BlueJ you have to install from the internet. आप इसे इंटरनेट से इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं. ओके तो इंस्टॉलेशन प्रोसेस भी हम आपको बताएंगे, यू डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. ठीक है, जस्ट अ मोमेंट. सिंपल डाउनलोड BlueJ. ओके, अब सपोज योर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज Windows 10. Okay, so according to the operating system you can choose. Suppose my operating system is Windows 10. तो हमने यहां पर क्लिक किया. Okay, and you can download BlueJ over here. Download and install. For the Windows you can download. If you are using the Mac, Apple operating system, for that it is available. This is for Linux and other. तो हम basically इसके इस पर जाएंगे. This first link we will use basically. And you can see that it is downloaded procedure is started. Download procedure is started. Okay, I am just pausing because I have already downloaded the software in my machine. But I am telling you to how to download. Okay. Apart from that, one more thing you have to install, that is the JDK. For practical point of view, suppose you want to do the practical, so that's why I'm telling you the which softwares are required. Okay, just a moment. For doing the practical, two softwares are required. One is JDK. The full form of the JDK is Java Development Kit. And the number two is, if you are facing any problem, you don't worry. I will explain number of times, no problem. And BlueJ. Okay, we have seen how to download the BlueJ. We have already seen. Okay, JDK we can download from the official site Oracle. Because as for your knowledge, मैं बताना चाहूंगा आपकी knowledge के लिए कि Java nowadays is a part of Oracle Corporation. Java इस टाइम पर Oracle Corporation का पार्ट है. Earlier it was the part. Earlier it was not the part of Oracle. Okay, but right now it is a part of Oracle Corporation. Just a moment. Okay, now how to download? If you have any problem, you can directly integrate, you can directly talk to me by the chat. Just a moment, please. Oracle. Oracle. Simple Oracle. I'm just typing Oracle. Or just a moment. Download JDK. Okay. Download JDK. Just I'm clicking on the first link. Here are a lot of versions of the JDK you can download from here. Okay, these are Windows x86 and Windows x64. हमारे ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग हम यहाँ से इसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. Simply, you just click, the JDK will be downloaded in your machine. So after downloading the JDK and BlueJ, you can execute your program. You don't worry. I will explain you once again if you are facing any problem. So suppose हमने JDK और BlueJ को इंस्टॉल कर लिया. अब हमें प्रैक्टिकल कैसे स्टार्ट करना है? After downloading, one second, I'm just writing. You don't worry, okay? After downloading all the above software, first you have to install JDK. Second, you have to install BlueJ. Okay. Up to this, anybody have any problem? Please tell me. Please respond.
No, sir.
Okay, so means you can download the JDK and you can download the BlueJ also. There are so many things you have downloaded in your life. So downloading procedure is not a new for you all. And you know that after downloading the setup file, you have to install it also. Without installation, you cannot use the software. So downloading is the first process, and the second process is that installation. So after installing the JDK and BlueJ, you are able to use the BlueJ software. 1 second, I just want to show you how. 1 minute, please. So this is the BlueJ I have already installed and it is working fine. Just I am clicking. Okay. When you will install the fresh, so this screen will not appear. ये स्क्रीन आपके सामने नहीं आएगी जब आप फ्रेश इंस्टॉलेशन करेंगे. तो सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना होता है, आप प्रोजेक्ट में जाएंगे. ओके, एंड यू हैव टू क्रिएट अ न्यू प्रोजेक्ट. बेसिकली प्रोजेक्ट्स क्रिएट करना इसमें सबसे पहला स्टेप है. तो जस्ट गो टू एंड न्यू प्रोजेक्ट. ओके, इन द न्यू प्रोजेक्ट आई एम टेकिंग द प्रोजेक्ट नेम. हमें कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट का नाम हमने ले लिया. Basic Java programs. Okay, basic Java programs. And I'm just clicking on create. Now you can see that my project is created. This is my project. अब हमने पहले वाले प्रोजेक्ट को क्लोज कर दिया. Now this is my first project. ये स्टेप सबकी समझ में आ गया? Please respond. Please respond.
Yes,
or can I do this step again? Can I do this
No,
step
sir.
again?
No.
Okay. Now you can see this is the white area. This is the white area. Now what you have to do? Either you can click on new class. Here is the button. Or you can click right and create a new class. Okay. I am just clicking on new. और यहाँ पर हमने लिखा demo 1. Or we can say that demo 1. So what is the demo 1? Demo 1 is the name of my class. जब भी हम कोई क्लास क्रिएट करते हैं तो हम कोई एक मीनिंगफुल नेम दे देते हैं. तो हमने यहाँ पर दे दिया demo 1. ये हमारे क्लास का नाम है. आप यहाँ पर कोई और नाम दे सकते हैं according to you, no problem. I am just clicking on OK. So this is my first class is created. Now I am doing the double click on it. When I will do the double click, in this manner, your programming window will be open. This is your programming window. फिर से हम लोग देखते हैं एक बार once again. So this is basically, just a moment. Okay, I have removed. Okay, now how to create a class? Right click, new class. And here I am just typing demo 1. Clear? And clicking on OK. All right. Now we have to double click on this demo 1 and you will see there are a lot of predefined codes. I don't need these codes. Just a simple, do one thing. Control A is for select all. Once again, you can write down. This is a shortcut to select all. Control A is select all and press the delete button. So whole coding will be deleted immediately. Understand? This point is clear to all of you?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
please respond?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have any problems? So immediately please tell me, okay? कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Okay. Now,
No,
how to write our first program? The first program is very, very important.
Public.
So just a moment, please. How to write the first program? सबसे पहला प्रोग्राम हम कैसे लिखेंगे? Number 1, we will create the class. Then we will create the main function. Understand? Two things you have to understand. सबसे पहले हमें क्लास क्रिएट करना है, क्लास, और क्लास का नाम अभी यहां पर इनिशियल स्टेज पर वही रहेगा जो आपकी फाइल का नाम था. तो आई हैव टेकन द नेम ऑफ द फाइल इज demo1. ऑलराइट, ब्रैकेट्स. ठीक है, दिस इज द ओपन ब्रैकेट एंड इमीडिएटली आई हैव डन द क्लोज ब्रैकेट. So basically my cursor is inside the class. We are basically inside the class. हम class के अंदर हैं यहाँ. Now inside the class, what is the next step? We will create the main function. So how to create the main function? Public, static, void, main, and string.
Public static void main.
This is basically the fixed signature of defining the main function. इस लाइन को आप याद कर लें या समझ लें, ठीक है. ये लाइन से ही आपका मेन फंक्शन क्रिएट होता है जावा में. हम कुछ थोड़े समय के बाद इस लाइन को डिटेल में समझाएंगे भी, बट इन द इनिशियल स्टेज यू विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड क्लियरली दिस लाइन. यहां पर अभी आपको क्या समझना है? व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द मेन फंक्शन? मेन फंक्शन नेम इज मेन. हमारा जो मेन फंक्शन है वो मेन नाम से क्रिएट होता है. अंडरस्टैंड? एक चीज और आप समझ सकते हैं इनिशियल स्टेज पर. व्हाट इज द मीन्स ऑफ पब्लिक? पब्लिक का मतलब होता है दिस फंक्शन कैन बी एक्सेस फ्रॉम एनीवेयर विदाउट एनी रिस्ट्रिक्शन एंड बाउंडेशन. दिस फंक्शन कैन बी एक्सेस फ्रॉम एनीवेयर. कहीं से भी इस फंक्शन को आप एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. एंड व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द फंक्शन? मेन. नाउ आई वांट टू प्रिंट अ लाइन system.out.print hello students. Okay, this is my first line. After completing the line we have to put a semicolon. This is a kind of full stop which we give basically in while writing the sentences. जब हम sentences लिखते हैं तो लास्ट में एक full stop देते हैं. full stop का मतलब होता है कि हमारी बात यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हो गई, मेरी लाइन यहाँ पर, मेरा सेंटेंस यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हो गया. तो ठीक उसी तरह से. Now system dot, okay, one second, I just want to execute this program. So before executing we have to compile. Just click on the compile button over here. One second please. Now you can see there is no error. अगर हम यहाँ पर semicolon नहीं देते हैं, if we are not giving the semicolon, then definitely it will show the error. Expected means, expected का मतलब होता है कि यहाँ पर semicolon होना चाहिए. So we have to give the semicolon. Now again I am compiling. Now you can see that there is no syntax error. Syntax error का मतलब होता है every programming language have some syntaxes or have some rules and regulation. तो हमें उन syntaxes और rules और regulation को के according ही programming करनी है. If we will not follow the proper rules and regulation, then definitely we will get the error. Okay. One more thing. System का S कैपिटल होना चाहिए, because system is a class in Java and every class which is provided by the Java should be written in a capital letter. अगर हम इसे small कर देंगे then definitely we will get the error. See, package system does not exist. वो system को recognize नहीं कर पा रहा है क्योंकि Java के अंदर system capital से लिखा है. Understand? Now there is no error. Understand? This is my first program. Now I just want to close this programming window. Here is the cross button and I want to execute this program. So how to execute this program? Execution always started from the main function. Right click, void main. And once again you have to click on OK. Now you can see that the output is coming on screen. Hello students. This is my first program. Understand? One more thing I want to discuss with you all. Yes, Arnav, this is clear to all of this. Clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. 1 second. So I just want to double click. So my programming window will be open. Okay. Now I want to add one more line. We all are fine.
Sir, I have a question.
Sure, please ask. Please ask. If you, okay. If you have any question, you can type your question or you can directly ask, no problem. Okay. So how many lines we have given? 2 lines. Hello, students. We all are fine. So how the output will appear in the 2 different line on a single line? Can you please tell? How the output will appear on the screen in a 2 different line or in a single line? I'm just asking.
The single line.
Okay. Why?
Sir, because semicolon is there.
No, semicolon is there, na? Semicolon is there.
2 different lines, sir.
1 second. I just want
Different
to.
line.
1 second. 1 second. 1 second. See. Output will become in a single line like that. Why? Why? Why the output is coming in a single line? Because I have used print. Print. The print does not change the line. The print is a function basically which does not change the line. It retains the cursor on the same line. Suppose we want to change the line after printing this statement. Then we have to use print ln. Understand? So print ln is basically used to change the line, and the print does not change the line. This is the difference between this print and println. Print function does not change the line. It retains the cursor in the same line. Print ln function change the line. Okay. Now I have used the println. Compile, closing. 1 second, please. And I want to execute this program. So right click and click on the wide main. Now you can see that the two output is coming in the 2 different line. This is clear to all of you?
Sir.
Yes,
Arnav,
sir.
this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One more. Point is clear. Suppose I want to add 2 number. Simple program. I want to add 2 number. Okay. I'm just closing this. And here I'm writing a program. Write a program to take 2 number and print the sum. Okay, no problem. I'm not discussing the input part. That I will discuss after the 1 or 2 lecture. Just I'm working on a base and foundation. So you know that each and every value is stored in a variable. Okay, store in a variable. जितनी भी values होती हैं वो variables में store होती हैं. Okay, और variables को define करने से पहले ये हमको specify करना होता है कि ये variable किस type का है. मतलब इस variable में किस type की value आएगी. Suppose int a comma b comma s. A एक variable है, b is also a variable, and s is also a variable. And all these variables are of integer type, int type. So what is an integer? Can you please confirm? What is an integer?
Sir, it removes the
Int.
point value.
Int means integer value, which does not contain any fractional value.
Number.
So 1, 2, 24, 67, 7, 8, 9. These are all integers. Agree? Please. And can you please tell me this is also integer?
No, sir.
This is also integer.
No, sir.
These are not.
No, sir.
These are fractionals. Okay. Fractional data उसको कहते हैं जिसमें कुछ decimal parts included हो. इंटीजर डेटा उसको कहा जाता है जिसमें डेसिमल पार्ट्स इंक्लूडेड ना. तो I want to store all the integer value. How to store the integer value? A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20. Now, what is the value of the S? What is the purpose of the S? Sorry, S basically
S
you
for
store the result. So S is equal to A plus.
A plus B.
Understand?
B.
Now I want to
Yes, sir.
display my result S. Understand? Can you please tell what output will come on a screen? 1 second,
The
please.
30.
Just a moment. See,
30.
the value of the A is
10.
10. What is the value of B?
20.
And what we are doing over here, S is equal to
S.
A plus B. 10 plus 20 will be,
30.
30.
now the 30 will be print over here. Okay,
Yes.
let me check. First of all, I want to compile this program. Okay, no error. No
Yes.
error is coming.
Yeah.
I just want to close this programming window and right click and clicking on the main. Now you can see that the 30 output is coming. But one confusion is there, my dear student. What is this 30? Because I am the
30 is the
programmer,
sum of
I
A
know
and
that
B.
this is the 30 is a sum. But if the third person will see our output, then he will not understand what is this 30. It may be a product, it may be a average,
Yes, sir.
it may be a sum. Okay, how the person will recognize ये क्या है? तो इसके लिए what I am doing, just I want to clear all this drawing. हम इस रिजल्ट को एक मैसेज के साथ डिस्प्ले करना चाहते हैं. Okay, please understand. Are you all with me? Just a moment.
Yes, sir.
I just want to put a statement before S. Sum is equal to plus S. अब क्या होगा? पहले लिख कर आएगा sum is equal to. उसके बाद S की वैल्यू आएगी that is 30. Just a moment. I just want to show how. Now, can you please tell this one is better and that one was better? See, now it is very much clear this 30 is sum, not anything else. Are you able to see the screen? Can you please confirm?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Arnav,
Yes, sir.
is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Should I explain it once again?
No, sir.
No, no, sir.
Okay, if you have any problem, please let me know. Okay. So in
Okay,
this
sir.
class, I don't want to discuss many things. I have just started the Java with a very basic program. Okay. Now what you have to do as a homework, okay, I just want to give you some question for your practice. 1 second. Can you please write down or no problem? I will share. My first question is practice programs. Number 1, write a program to take two numbers like 2, 4. These two numbers are already specified and print the sum and product. Very easy program. Okay. Number 2, write a program to take three numbers any and print the sum, product and average. Number 3rd program, write a program to input. अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आता है, you don't worry about that. You just try it. To take principal, rate and time, and find the simple interest. Number 4, take a single number and print square and cube. That's it. I'm just copying these questions and sending in your group. I will send in your group, no problem. Okay. So I just want to close the session. Okay. And day after tomorrow, 8 o'clock, again, we will start this session. Continue this session. Okay. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Do you want to ask any question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Please ask.
सर आपने क्लास डेमो लिखा है,
Demo
उसके
1.
पहले आप अगर हम पब्लिक
No
ना
problem.
लगाएं
No problem.
तो
We can
सही
use the
होगा?
public word. Okay. If we are not using, then it's okay. Or either we can use public. Okay. Fine.
Okay, okay.
That's access specifier. Okay. That I will discuss in a separate chapter in a very detailed manner.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. Arnav, do you have
Thank
any
you, sir.
problem?
सर क्वेश्चन 2 में वैल्यूज कौन सी होंगी?
क्वेश्चन 2 में आप कोई भी वैल्यू ले सकते हैं अपने अकॉर्डिंग. यू कैन टेक, इट्स अप टू यू. आप कोई भी वैल्यू दे सकते हैं. अभी हम इनपुट नहीं बता रहे. राइट प्रोग्राम टू टेक, इसको आप इनपुट वर्ड हम यहां से रिमूव कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज अभी हमने आपको स्कैनर क्लास डिस्कस नहीं किया है. या राइट ए प्रोग्राम टू टेक प्रिंसिपल, रेट एंड टाइम एंड फाइंड द सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. आप कोई भी वैल्यू ले सकते हैं फॉर प्रैक्टिस पर्पस. नो प्रॉब्लम. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके. So thanks to all of you. Anything else?
No, sir.
Okay. I will share all these questions to your WhatsApp. No problem.